We filled the glue tank with Charlie.
First step, releasing the air.
So the pressure gauge reaches 0. There's no more air release. That's what Charlie's checking for.
Crack the top. Find a suitable spot for the glue. Remove the lid. Good enough. Make a mess.
Lay out a piece of scrap wood so you're not making a mess.
Fill her up.
That was just for demonstration. How high would you normally fill it, Charlie?
Right about 7/8 of the way.
Fly eye, I guess?
Yeah, eyeball it. Put it back on. Should wipe that first.
Nice and clean. Put it back on.
Especially where it seals at.
Yeah. I guess it's important to keep an airtight seal when you got pressure going through the line.
Check it. Obviously, hear no leaks. It's good.
Can't hear any leaks, can't feel any leaks. We're good?
Yep.
Alright. That's how you fill the glue tank.